Good morning to all of you of class 7th students. We are going to start new chapter of this science, chapter number 4. This chapter belongs to chemistry part, and I hope whenever if you will have guide about the book, you will see that the colors of the different portions has been different. So chapter 4 we are going to start heat and temperature. In this chapter, we will study what is heat and what is temperature. So, today's introductory class, I would like to give you the definitions of these 2 points, and then after we will describe it details. Heat. What is heat? This chapter starts from here. In previous class, in class 6, you also will have studied about this one. As we know that the use of any kind of energy to do a piece of work or some part of it turns into heat, so that when we touch anything, you can say what is heat. First question rises up. It is the form of energy which makes a body hot. Body hot. How heat is produced? By rubbing, or by, you can say, when two objects are rubbed with each other, then the heat energy is released. The heat always dissipates from its source into the surroundings, making the surroundings hot. Heat always spread in all directions. The SI unit of heat is joule. Joule. Now another comparison is temperature. The degree of hotness or coldness is called is for the temperature. The common unit of temperature is degree Celsius. While SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. We will discuss more details about the hotness or coldness or transfer of heat. But before we discuss about the transfer of heat, a very known and general formula we have to change what is the degree Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. There is a relation between this one and you all will have to change this one. And in the next class, the relation between degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Relation is F minus 32 by 9 is equal to C by 5 is degree Fahrenheit, K minus 273 oblique 5. In scientific notation, it can be written as F degree Fahrenheit minus 32 by 180 degree 180 degree Celsius by 100 K 273 by 100. On this we have change the following from degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. Do this one, and for this day I wish you a happy life.